I just made this amazing mask. It's brand new. I've never done this mask before. It has the strengthening and protein that your hair needs and craves, and also it's gonna be very cleansing, moisturizing, and I even infused an oil with fenugreek seeds in this mask and it came out amazing. My name is Khadija. Welcome to the Hennasooq channel. I am an expert in henna hair color and Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and I do the most gorgeous henna body art. So let's get into this mask. I'm gonna be using Cassia bovata for cleansing. I'm going to be adding in the extra smooth and creamy Jamila henna powder. This henna powder is amazing because it's so creamy and smooth, easy to wash out, and it's going to give you the strengthening that you're looking for. Then I'm going to be adding about 2 teaspoons of aloe vera powder. Then I'm going to mix these herbs up really well so that they're very well blended. I'm going to be adding in this oil that I infused with fenugreek seeds. It is camellia oil, which I absolutely love. I'm going to pour some of that in here. And I'm also going to add in some organic jojoba oil. It's going to make it so moisturizing. And I'm going to add a good amount of this, maybe like 2 ounces. To make it come out faster, I'm going to just pour some in there. 2 ounces is about half the bottle. Then I'm going to add in my warm to hot distilled water. I'm going to start mixing it up now so I can see what the consistency looks like so far, because that way you can adjust it. If you need to add more water, you can easily do so. So that way you have full control of the consistency without the mask getting too wet and too liquidy too quickly. If you find that your mask did get a little bit too runny for your liking, you can definitely add a little bit more powder to your mask. That'll help it get a bit thicker. As you can see, it's really thick right now. I'm probably going to need more warm to hot distilled water. When I'm mixing, I try to be really gentle in the beginning so I don't get the powders like to fly everywhere, because sometimes that dust can definitely make you sneeze. So I try to manipulate slowly. Oh, it's still very thick, so we definitely need more. Keep mixing. And this is a mask you want to leave on your hair for about 1 to 2 hours. Because there is henna in it, you will get a pop of color, a little bit of a reddish tint. So just note that. And also, you can do this mask probably about every 2 to 3 weeks. If you're a little bit protein sensitive, since henna does behave like a protein, you definitely want to spread that out a little bit more, maybe every 3 to 4 weeks, even 6 weeks. Henna is so strengthening and so long lasting. You honestly really don't need to do it more often than that. You can do hair tea rinses if you like in between. If you want to have a henna strengthening boost to your hair strands, you could definitely do that and it'll be much gentler on your hair. So I use this whole container. This is about half a liter. Hard to see because of the lighting, but it's half a liter. If you want the mask to settle and some more of the lumps to disappear, you can definitely let this sit. Do note that when you let it sit a couple of hours, it's going to bring out a bit more of the reddish dye, but in general, even if you do mix it up and use it right away, you still will get a bit of a reddish tint to your hair strands. And if you have any grays, it'll look like a highlight. So let's say you want to prep, you want to make your masks ahead of time, and you just want to pop out what you need whenever you need it. I got a tip for you. So let's move to the side. Let me show you these cute molds that I have here. Aren't they adorable? Oh my God, they're so cute. I love them, love them, love them. So what you're gonna do is pour some of your mask right into the molds, as such, all the way to the top. Get those corners, don't forget, get every little bit in there. All right, get them in every little corner just as such. You can tap a little bit just to make sure it's fully settled. And then you can carefully and gently put this in your freezer. And it probably takes, I would say, 3 to 4 hours. And to be safe, let's say 6 hours. And then once they are frozen, I definitely recommend that you take them out and put them in a Ziploc bag. Mark your Ziploc bag as well with the date and what is inside that Ziploc bag. And that way you can use it anytime you need. You just thaw them at room temperature and boom, you're ready to do your next hair wash day. So this, I want to see you guys do this. Make sure that you share this with us when you do this and hashtag us Hennasooq and also tag us at Hennasooq so we can see how you did. I want to thank you for tuning in, and I want to know, did you use this mask? How did it come out? And what did you think? I really want to see how your hair turned out. So please don't forget to tag us at Hennasooq or hashtag Hennasooq so we can see your hair and you have a chance to be featured as well and get chosen. And I will see you every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and get that little bell going, because that's how you get notified of my next videos and you don't want to miss any of the great content that I have coming for you. I will see you next time. Bye.